How to adjust creativity level in Ask AI. Want your Ask AI answers to be more imaginative, quirky, or super straightforward? Today I am showing you how to adjust the creativity level in Ask AI to get the responses that fit your style. Let's dive in. First, head to www.iask.ai and type your question or prompt like usual. To adjust creativity, you just need to add a few magic words to your prompt. Try adding phrases like in a creative style, with high creativity, make it more imaginative, keep it very factual and straightforward. For example, write a poem about the ocean with high creativity or explain photosynthesis in a straightforward, factual way. Don't be afraid to play around. If it's too wild, say make it less creative or simplify the answer. Ask AI adapts quickly based on your instructions. If you want to fine-tune your answer, just ask, can you rewrite that more creatively or can you make this answer more serious? And that's how you adjust creativity in Ask AI. Super easy and fun to customize your reasons. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe and tap the bell icon so you never miss an update. See you in the next one.